You don't have anything to lose to propose a symposium or a workshop.
It's one of the great opportunities to showcase your ideas, and to get into exchange with other people in the forum.
There are a number of reasons why somebody, especially young, should propose a symposium. First of all, because it gives you visibility. Second is that when you contact the people for the symposium, you will already create a network of people that will help you in science. And third, because you have the occasion to put forward your own ideas.
What's cooler than bringing the people whose papers you read every day in one place and pit them against each other?
It's a very nice experience where you get a lot of feedback.
It has been quite competitive. So last time it was only 25% that were chosen in the end. But that means also that the quality is also excellent.
What I'm looking for is something new, especially from young people.
I think that the best advice is probably think out of the box.
I think probably a concise proposal would be appreciated, because I think we will have to read a lot.
Don't do it on the last day.
Something that is exciting, where you see unusual things happening, where you really bring together people from different fields.
And always keeping in mind that complex problems can be better solved by looking from different angles.
And just write emails to the people you want to see, and don't be shy to ask the big dogs. They might just come.